Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life. Guys, I'm sick this week, so I have several videos that I need and I want to get done, and so let's just see how long my voice can hold out. So today is my second entry for hashtag Let's Do Die Cutting Monday, even though I'm sure I'm not going to be posting this on Monday. This open collab is hosted by Tree at Krafts and Cathy's Creative Crafts and More. And so I'm hoping that more and more people will continue to join us on Monday so that we can see what die cuts you have and how you're using them and just be inspired. So I wanted to share with you guys a couple of things that I did over the weekend. So I've been sick for a week, and finally on Saturday got up, took a shower, started feeling a little bit better, and thought, okay, I just need to do some die cutting. And I have a couple projects, actually several projects and Happy Meal that I'm working on. And so one of the things that I did, because it's still February, I hope, I'm so out of it. So one of the things I did was I just got out my scrap bucket and two of my Stampin' Up! Heart punches, and I just started punching. And after I was just done punching, after I don't know how many hours, I just started matching up the inside with the outside of the hearts, and I just started gluing down. And in a future project share, you'll see why I'm die cutting all of these hearts out. So I die cut over 100 hearts and I matched them all up, and so that's what I have right here. So that was fun. I didn't embellish them. I didn't do anything to them. But then I started thinking, okay, what am I going to be making for Monday for hashtag Let's Do Die Cutting Monday? And I thought, do I have another die, like a nesting die or another die that I could layer up? And so I said, I'm sure I do. Let me go check. So came into my craft room and I found this, and I thought this will be fun. It looks kind of springy. I can use some spring paper. And so what I did, I have this paper that I received from our friend Cindy Ann. Hi Cindy. And so I've been wanting to use this, so I got that out. And then I have this paper from Rosie Studio. I'm not sure if this was gifted to me or if I purchased this. I got that out, and then I also got this shimmer paper out. Oh my gosh, I love this shimmer paper. It was a hot buy Kaylee and Jake got for me. Many people have this and use it all the time. So what I decided to do was to make some of these, but I don't know if you can really tell, but I went ahead and I used just some foam, and I layered these up. So I put the shimmer paper on the bottom, and then a pattern paper for the second base, and then the top are the flowers. So I just did that. And then I made a few of those. I was also thinking about Patty and Cathy's open collab, and for the month of February is pastels. So I thought, okay, let me break out some pastels. I used these papers, and I didn't have another sheet of this polka dot one, so I just used that white, kind of like shiplap looking, which is fine. Guys, I had bought this on My Porch Prints, which is from Etsy, and I'm just barely breaking into and even thinking about going and purchasing a digital. And this was on sale from My Porch Prints. I've bought from them before, so this was on sale for like $1.42 or some odd number like that. I bought this and printed that out on some heavy cardstock, and then I cut them out. They look like this. They're mini. They also come like this in the black and white. You're buying not just the mini, but the black and white too, the bigger ones. So you can use them however you want. But I cut out the mini ones that look like this, and they're called Mini Size Inspirational Dictionary Definitions. I think that's the official name for them. And then, so this group has flowers and this group doesn't. And so what I did was I just took those layered embellishments and then added a few things to them. So I added some tulle on here and a flower, some rickrack, sequins or little flat backs, and then the dictionary definition. So that's one of the teal green ones, and then this is the pink. I did pretty much the same thing: flower, tulle, sequins, rickrack, and then that little embellishment there. So that's what I did for this hashtag Let's Do Die Cut Monday. Thank you to our hostesses, Tree and Cathy, for inspiring us to get out our die cuts and make something fun. And so Cindy, if you're watching this, I'm going to be sending you a few of these so you can embellish them up yourself, and then also one of these sheets as well. So, all right, guys, thanks for stopping by. And thank you for all your thoughts and prayers and letting me know that you're thinking about me and praying for me as I get better. I'm ready to feel 100%. All right, guys, talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.